Last week, it looked like the Bears were dead. The Bulls were in control. The market was green. Summer is over. Bull run is here. But oh, how quickly things change in crypto. Now all bears are out. You can see them running around on X, flaunting their winnings. And it's true, the market is extremely bearish. But guys, we are almost at the end of summer. If this cycle does continue to play out like the rest, there could potentially be very, very green things ahead. But is Turbo going to have a lower low? Let's look into the price action. In this video, we're going to go over all the data for Turbo's price, what it looks like, and what are the key levels that we want to continue to watch out for. What is the Turbo team doing? How are the holders? And what macro environmental changes should we be looking for to send us off into the bull run, guys? It's going to be a great video. We're going to get into everything Turbo and more. But first, I want to welcome you back to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense, guys. From the bottom of my heart, I'm truly grateful for every single one of you. But if you're not subscribed, please pause the video, hit subscribe, hit that bell notification. Now let's get into the video. Guys, they changed it up. Right when we were talking about the blue pill and the red pill, now it's a green pill and a red pill. And I've got to be honest, I kind of like it because the market is green for good, red for bad. Get rid of the red. We need to change this background back to blue or green. But guys, have y'all noticed this? This is really cool. But the team continues to build. Look at all these exchange listings, guys. I look at this anytime I'm feeling bearish and I take a look at the macro environment, bird's eye view. I still believe Turbo is the best meme coin of all time. Now, guys, as always, as ever financial advice, I'm got slightly a degen and loves finance, so I could be completely wrong and Turbo could go to zero, but does not change my love for it. When we take a look, Turbo is sitting at 216th in overall market cap at around $235 million, right above 2035. But it's not just Turbo, guys. I see people blaming Turbo like it is just Turbo. Look at this, a sea of red here on coin market cap for every meme just about. But nothing's changing. The team is still active. As you can see, no flames will stop my journey to the moon, guys. This is Turbo. Keep building. We've got Turbo Day coming up on September 6th. We'll have myself hosting it. We're going to have Black Tiger Miner, Zap, Roshan, Mike the Investor, various partners, and maybe some people that you haven't even thought about yet. It's going to be fun. Come join us. Let's have a good community time. It's what it's about, showing that the community is still live and active. And we are, because when we look, there is over 37,600 holders for Turbo. Bravo, bravo, guys. But I really want to talk about it. I really want to get into the price action. But when people start saying, is this dead? I sit here and look at these top holders. These are exchanges. And a lot of them bought Turbo during this realm right here, guys. Like, a lot of them are in the loss right now. So I do not think they want to continue to be in the loss. I really, really don't. So I don't see this being the end of it. I think Turbo will have a very, very bright end of the year going into 2025 if the 4-year cycle for crypto continues to play out like we are all expecting. Now, we could completely be wrong. I get it, but I'm hoping not, because I love Turbo. But guys, let's get into this. Let's draw a fib level up from here. If you don't know how to do that, that's the swing low to the swing high. So we're on the daily chart for now, and we can see that right here at this 786 level, there has touched it twice, we could say. But this other level over here at 2035 has played critical. And you can see on these last 3 daily candles, the market does not know what it wants to do. You can see where it ended at in the middle, and it had been high and it had been low. Each of these 3 days, it had been low, it had been high, ended in the middle. It had been low, it had been high, ended in the middle. These 3 candles look totally different than anything else. And what that tells me is the market does not know what it wants. But the key levels that I want to watch out for, if we're going to get another lower low, which is possible, but we obviously have to watch this 2.9 level right here. right here, I will be watching that extremely closely. Now, where could it go if it broke that level? Well, obviously, this depends on the macro environment, Bitcoin and Ethereum. That will obviously play a big tell. But I showed you on previous videos how it is not uncommon to see meme coins go down 80, 90% before skyrocketing another 6, 7, 8, 900% up. And that's exactly why I have this 886 level here on the fibs. Now, I do not expect it to get to this level right here, guys, but that would put it at about 0.0024. And I would tell the wife, back up the Brinks truck. Daddy's going to the bank. We are buying the toad and going to the moon with it. But we could potentially get a lower low, or at least what I am expecting is another test of this line. Now, would that be good? I kind of think so. Could we potentially see a triple bottom showing strong support here at this level? Could we go down here, come back up, come down here, come back up, come back down, and then start a rally? It really depends on some macro environmental things. And we've got Fed cutting interest rates in the United States. This next meeting is in 18 days from the time of recording this video. And you can see here, the odds are only for a 25% basis cut, which means 0.25%. So lowering the Fed rate from about 5.25 to 5.5 to 5 to 5.25. It doesn't really excite me that much. I would like to see at least half a basis point cut, but I remind myself, the Fed's not doing this to pump my turbo bags or my Kaspa bags. They're doing this to try to save the job profile, try to save the economy in that sense. But it's not directly tied to pumping the bags of crypto investors. That is not what the whole point of this is. But guys, like I always say, when the entire market is bleeding and your favorite meme coin is down this much, ask yourself, has anything changed about the project? Have they stopped posting on X? Have they stopped getting partnerships? Have they stopped scheduling AMAs, doing all the community-driven things that they had previously done when the market was hot? Has the holders stopped growing? Is that what happened? Because we have gained over 500, 600, 700 holders within the last month at a time when the market is not looking good at all, guys. Like if we go back to the beginning of this month, we are down. We're down from, what is that, 0.00444 all the way down to 0.0035 approximately. So Turbo is still my favorite meme coin of all time, and I'm not giving up on it. Like Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. And right now, everyone is fearful. So what does that say? Hey guys, I really appreciate every one of you being a part of the Freeman of Finance family. From the bottom of my heart, I truly love you all. If you have not officially subscribed and joined the family, what are we doing? Push that button and hit the like button as well. It really helps as algorithm. Let's really help to do our part to spread Turbo. I'm making videos. Y'all watch the videos and let's share them throughout the community. I love you all.